Would you like to personalize your account? Well, now you can. When logging into your online banking, you will automatically see all of your Ent accounts and shares you have ownership on. And there's an option to customize your shares and accounts you wish to see. To do so, click Customize Accounts. Once on this screen, you can toggle which shares you would like to see on your accounts page. Want to see your test account? Absolutely. Click the toggle and you'll receive a successful message at the top letting you know that one's been added to your account. If you would really like to personalize your account, you can also nickname your shares. Select the Edit button, type in what you would like to call this share, and click the green check mark. Once it's accepted, you will receive a successful message at the top letting you know that was changed. Now let's go see what our accounts look like back on My Accounts page. Now you can see the changes that you've made from your customized accounts. Here is that vacation fund we decided to change. When using the Customize Accounts, you can update your account as many times as you want.